Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and today we're going to do some super cool stuff with the Cybertruck. We're going to test this bumper and this winch to the max draw, see if we can drag the Cybertruck, pick up the Cybertruck. Stay tuned, this is going to be cool. This is our extreme duty bumper, outfitted with a 12,000 pound super winch. The Cybertruck has our auxiliary power system to run the winch. So today, what we're gonna do is really challenge the bumper and the winch and show you, does this thing really work? Now, it's perfectly suitable for mall crawlers, but today it's all about really using this. So we're gonna do a couple of tests. And in those tests, I wanna accomplish a couple of things. One, we need to test the structural integrity of our bumper and how it attaches to the Cybertruck, the gigacasting, and make sure we can truly pull 12,000 pounds off the front of the Cybertruck. That's test number one. Can this thing actually be used? And that's what we're gonna accomplish today. The second thing is our power system. The Cybertruck has a 48 volt, 400 watt auxiliary power system under the hood. 400 watts is never going to run a winch. It's not enough power. This winch is gonna draw more like 5,000 watt. It's between 400 and 500 amps of hit and draw on a 12 volt battery when you put max load on that. So the T-Sportline auxiliary power system is a high output power system. It's auxiliary power in the Cybertruck that's charged off of the 400 watt integrated power system. That is letting us run this winch at full boogie, 400 or 500 amp draw. Let's get into this testing. The first test, we're gonna go out front and we're going to attach this to a large tree. We're gonna hold the brakes at max lock and see if we can drag the Cybertruck across the asphalt. Now, if you're off-road in the dirt, it's a lot easier to slide 4 tires across the dirt or in the mud. On asphalt, we have BFG KO3 off-road tires on here. They're gonna stick like glue to the asphalt. This is not only a test of can we pull with the winch and the bumper, the structure of the Cybertruck, it's gonna test our brakes. Can the brakes in the Cybertruck hold all 4 tires in a full skid across the asphalt? The hardest part of that is breaking it free. Once it's broke free and it starts sliding, it's easier to pull it across the asphalt. Let's go get into that test right now. Okay, we're set up out front here at T-Sportline. We've got our super winch, synthetic rope winch pulled out here, and this is going to extend around the base of a tree. We've got a tree strap on the tree so we don't hurt the tree. And you can see the truck is on dry asphalt. I've got my partner in the truck, all 4 wheels, brakes pushed as hard as he can. We're gonna see if we can drag this thing across the asphalt. All right, let's get ready and we'll give it a go. Okay, the brakes aren't holding. Let's give it another try. Okay, go. There we go. The winch is pulling. We got a 4-wheel, back tire isn't holding, but you can see 12,000 pound winch. Not a problem. Serious stuff here. No bullshit. Okay, that first functional test, success. We're able to pull the Cybertruck. The bumper held on no problem. Everything looked good. Winch work, power system, good. Before we go off-roading and get into a real recovery, let's go to another test right now. We're gonna just pick up the front of the Cybertruck, give this thing one more test. All right, let's do it. Okay, this is test 2 for T-Sportline. Let's say you're in the woods and you need to change this tire, you don't have your jack or something, your KO3 went flat. We're hooked up to the tree. Let's give this a go with the winch. Hell yes. Now we're talking. Right there. CTX bumper from T-Sportline, 12,000 pound winch. get some of this. That is awesome. Okay, let her down. Okay, there you go. Test 2, pulling straight up on the bumper. Success. That's it, guys. We're ready now for some off-roading, some true recovery. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up for the video, thumbs up for this product, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Come back soon. We're gonna be taking this thing off-road and really flexing it to its max. All right, everybody, take care.